Hello all, here are some do's and don'ts for model examination for NEET. So the test is of 200 minutes duration and test booklet contains 200 multiple choice questions from physics, chemistry and biology. 50 questions in each subject are divided into two sections A and B. As for the details, section A shall consist of 35 questions in each subject. All questions are compulsory. And section B shall consist of 15 questions in each subject. In section B, a candidate needs to attempt any 10 questions out of 15 in each subject. Candidates are advised to read all 15 questions in each subject of section B before they start attempting the question paper. In the event of a candidate attempting more than 10 questions, the first 10 questions answered by the candidate shall be evaluated. Each question carry 4 marks. For each correct answer, 4 marks will be rewarded, and for each incorrect response, 1 mark will be deducted from the total score, and the total score is 720 marks. Prep work is to be done in the space provided for this purpose in the test booklet. On completion of the test, the candidate must hand over the answer sheet to the invigilator before leaving the room. The candidates are allowed to take away the test booklet with them. The candidate should ensure that answer sheet is not folded. Don't make any kind of tray marks in the answer sheet. Do not write your roll number anywhere else except in the space provided in the answer sheet. Ensure that use of white fluid for correction is not permissible in the answer sheet. The candidate should not leave the examination hall without handing over the answer sheet to the invigilator. Use of electronic or manual calculator is prohibited. The candidates are governed by all rules and regulations of the exam with regard to their conduct in the examination room. All cases of unfair means will be dealt with as per the rules and regulations of the examination. No part of the test booklet and answer sheet shall be detached in any circumstances. Compensatory time of 1 hour 5 minutes will be provided for the examination of 3 hours and 20 minutes before whether the candidate uses the facility of scribe or not. Please do not open the seal until the invigilator asks you to do so. The Bangalore Medical Coaching Center, make doctors, wish you all the best.